In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make transparent gradient in Canva. A transparent gradient is a great way to softly fade an image, create subtle overlays for text, or blend elements without harsh edges. We'll keep this simple and precise so you can follow along in real time. Start by adding a shape. Head to the Elements tab and choose the basic square. Drop it onto your canvas, then resize it so it spans the entire width of your page. You can drag the side handles outward until they meet the edges. If your design is wider than it is tall, letting the shape become a wide rectangle is perfectly fine. The key is that it covers the full width. With the shape selected, apply a gradient. Click the color tile in the top toolbar to open the color options, then choose a gradient style. You'll see the fill change immediately, and a gradient bar will appear in the panel, showing the color stops that control each end of the fade. Now open the color editor for one end of the gradient. Click directly on one of the color stops in the gradient bar. That brings up the controls for that specific stop, including its color and transparency. This is where the magic happens. To make one end transparent, click the checkerboard icon for opacity, then drag the slider all the way down to 0%. You'll see that end of the gradient fade to fully transparent, allowing whatever is beneath to show through. If your background is currently blank, you'll notice a soft fade into the page. If there's an image or color behind it, the transition will blend seamlessly. From here, customize the look. You can click the other color stop to choose the solid color you want to keep, or add more colors by clicking along the gradient bar to create additional stops. Drag the stops left or right to control where the fade begins and ends. Bringing the stops closer together creates a sharper transition. Spreading them out makes the blend smoother. If you want the transparency to be on the other side, simply select that stop and reduce its opacity instead. Adjust until the gradient guides the eye without overpowering your content. That's it. Add a shape, apply a gradient, open a color stop, make it transparent, and fine-tune the stops for a smooth finish. With this approach, you'll get clean, professional fades that elevate your designs in just a few clicks.